So let's go do this right here. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, it's time to cruise with my brother, Adam Handler. He's in his car today, so hopefully the technical details are all sorted out on both ends. Adam Handler.
What's up, buddy? I can't guarantee anything. I mean, I'm in the car. It's set up. I'm not looking at the screen because I got to pay attention to the
Please
road.
don't.
And there's obviously the chance that this thing just comes flying off my dashboard and you
We've
stare
seen
at
that.
the floor of my car for the next 15 minutes. But we'll give it a shot. I was way too excited this morning, not to be able to do this show live, not to be able to do this show from the car. You know, if you're looking right now on Facebook or Instagram or maybe later on YouTube, you'll see your boy Adam Handler, the case handler, in a suit in the car, and you're like, wait a minute, is this January of 2020? Like, what's going on here? You know, cruising with the case handler. It's a rarity that I do this show from the car in a suit on the way to court. Usually I'm running around like crazy, but today I had to do it, Squeeze. So thanks for having me on. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get the show on the road, brother.
Absolutely. Once again, folks, if you're just joining us on Facebook or YouTube or on the multiple radio stations we are on, whether it's Busy, Collard, The Jams, One Love, 93.5 WVIP FM, I am here with Adam Handler. He's known as the Case Handler. Look him up all over the social media. Look him up on his website, also thecasehandler.com. You'll find out that he's a personal injury attorney that is barred in New Jersey and New York, meaning he represents clients in those two states. And ladies and gentlemen, he has settled well over $170 million in his career for clients who have gotten hurt one way or another in an accident.
Squeeze.
177, I'm sorry.
First of all, you gotta put your phone on vibrate, man. Second of all, I'm gonna correct you because we are no longer advertising $170 million. You know why? On Friday, I settled the case for $2.45 million, which brings my career totals to over $175 million. You got that?
I got it.
Over $175 million. I am so very excited to make that announcement, especially on this Monday morning. Yeah, everybody needs a little feel-good vibe on Monday morning to get the week going. $175 million, big case. Just settled on Friday. I'm actually heading to court right now to put the final touches on it. And an unbelievable story that once the ink is dry in the agreement, I'm happy to talk more about it, but I'm very superstitious. Until the judge signs off on it, until the client comes in and gets that document notarized, it's still only a settlement in principle. I want it signed, sealed, and delivered, and then we can make the big announcement about the case details.
And hopefully we could have that true success story on air.
I don't know about that. She's a very private person, and you can imagine that when you come into $2.45 million, you may be even a little more private, right?
I agree. I concur.
Yeah,
I concur with that 100%.
Yeah, very exciting news, though. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're tuning in for the first time, good morning. You are officially cruising with the case handler, and as luck would have it, you are actually cruising with the case handler. I am in my truck, driving over to the courthouse in Bronx County right now on Grand Concourse to get things done. And we do this show every day, sometimes live, mostly live, sometimes a tape. But no matter if we're live or on a tape, the message is the same. There's an attorney out there that does things very differently than the other attorneys out there. There's an attorney that fights for the maximum award. There's an attorney that fights with compassion. There's an attorney that fights with passion. And of course, regardless of your immigration status, I am the longest running, most celebrated, and most successful attorney on this radio station. If you feel that those facts are not accurate, I invite you to come on this show and explain who you are and how you are longer running, how you are more celebrated, and of course, how you are more successful in helping this community obtain financial justice when, God forbid, you're in an accident.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, Adam Handler, the man right now, very elated he is, in his purple tie and his white shirt, looking all lawyerish, driving in his
My
and
tie
every.
is crooked. Come, you didn't even tell me my tie is crooked. Jeez,
That's okay,
man.
man.
Come on.
Listen, man, that's okay, man. It's the integrity of you, Adam Handler, representing people when they get in accidents, whether it's construction accidents, automobile accident, trip and fall, slip and fall, whatever you want to call it, people getting hurt. There needs to be a
Yep.
recourse. And that's where you come in, all right, on this station, all right? And I want to say thanks to each and every one out there who have been referring, Adam Handler when people get hurt. It's extremely important to care, knowing that this man is truly the top attorney on the station and no other attorney can compare with Adam Handler. It's extremely important that you refer him to your friends and family and even foes because, we're all one people, one energy, and it's all about helping people in God's eyes. So make sure you reach out to Adam Handler. His number, by the way, if you want to note it, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. One more time, okay? 844-774-3529. Many of you are saying, but I'm not in an accident. Hey, no, you're not. However, one day, someone will be in an accident. May not be you, and you need to have or arm yourself rather with that number so that you're getting good representation. That someone is going for the maximum compensation. No amount of money can actually replace or fix you, okay? But at least it can appease you. And that is the reason why I, David Squeezaniki of the Link Up Media Group of Company, is on this radio station every single day with Adam Handler, the case handler, in one way, shape, or another, giving out information, disseminating information, sharing true success stories so that, God forbid, you get hurt, where your attorney is because you've got only one chance, one choice, and there is only one case handler and is behind the wheel. And that is, of course, him driving for you. So make sure you reach out to him. 844-774-3529. Yes, Adam.
So I've been practicing nearly 20 years. Actually, I've been practicing 20 years. Well, I graduated law school in 2003. So I just celebrated the 20th anniversary of my graduation. And I passed the bar in Massachusetts, New York, and New Jersey in November of 2003. So this November that I will be practicing 20 years. So right now I'm like 19 and a half years. And in that 20 years, 19 and a half years rather, I've probably helped about 4,000 people in accident cases. And Squeeze, 4,000 people never expected to get into an accident and then needed my help. You can never prepare for that accident. You're driving right now or you're at work listening to this show and you're thinking, oh, I'll be fine. And God willing, you will be. And statistically speaking, you will be. But, 4,000 clients over $175 million later, these are all individuals that had their life turned upside down all of a sudden. Some more severe than others, but had an accident, had choices, chose the case handler, and got the best possible outcome for their particular situation. So while you can never truly prepare for that accident, Squeeze, you can prepare for your response to that accident. And the point of this show is helping you to prepare for your response, knowing that I'm out there, knowing that I'm here to fight for you like family. Third generation personal injury attorney. My family's been doing this in the city since 1932. And you're not going to be practicing anything. I don't care whether it's law, medicine, whether you're a blacksmith, if there's even blacksmith, I don't know, maybe think of that blacksmith, a carpenter, a baker. You're not going to be in business that long unless you're really, really, really good at what you do. I invite you all to check out my social media. We are very, very proud of our social media presence, the presence on Instagram, the presence on Facebook. All you have to do is Google the case handler, check out the case handler, and you can see with your own very eyes, Squeeze, the exceptional legal work that we've done, not only for this 93.5 FM community, not only for this West Indian community, not only for this immigrant community, this New York community, this New Jersey community, but the community at whole. And it's something I'm very, very proud of, very, very passionate about. And with a lot of hard work and God's will, we're going to keep going. That's what we do. We're going to get to that $200 million mark before you know it, Squeeze. We're going to make that big announcement. You know, we're at 175 million now. 200 is probably going to come by the end of the year, or if not next year, God willing. And these are people that, you know, have counted on us and have had the best possible outcome when, God forbid, that disaster strikes.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, Adam Handler, your case handler. Make the call to him right now. The number is 844-774-3529. It's always great doing this radio show with him on personal injury. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but we say store the number for the case handler, Adam Handler. His number, once again, is 844-774-3529. He's back behind the wheel, and he's driving for you, and he's driving for others. Make sure if you get into an accident, you reach out to the case handler once you've sought medical help. Once again, the number is 844-774-3529. Note the number, and don't let anyone fool you at the top of the hour. Don't let anyone fool you in any other hour. Make sure the man's name is Adam Handler. Make sure he is the case handler, because there's only one. There's only one, because you got one chance, one choice, and there's only one case handler. 844-774-3529. Adam, you have an amazing day, my brother.
Thank you, man. I'm happy to be on the show. I appreciate the endorsement. I'm excited that my cell phone didn't fall off the dashboard. And I'm looking forward to heading into the Boogie Down Bronx to get things done for this client. She deserves it. And we'll wrap this one up, move on to the next one. And, you know, listen, if you don't call me, I'm not going to be your attorney. I'm not coming up to you at the scene of the accident. I'm not coming up to you in the hospital. People aren't slipping you my business card. If you want Adam Handler to be your attorney, you got to take this number down. Or at the very least, you got to know where to find me. And you can find me on Google. Just Google the case handler, Adam Handler, the case handler. Help me help you get that money, right? Let's get that money.
Simple as that. Ladies and gentlemen, have yourself an amazing day. Adam Handler, the top man, the king man, the big man. All right, the champion.
The case handler.
All right.
Oh, come on. Give me one. Give me one, please. Come on.
Easy with the accent, man, not the accent.
Come on, give me one.
Give me one. What?
Case handler.
No. You got to say it, the case handler. Listen, bye, man. Take care, man, and thanks for keeping your eyes on the road, man. All right.
I haven't. Listen, you know, there's an expression: the individual that represents himself has a fool for a client. So I don't expect that I'll be having any problems today. 10-2 on the wheel, looking straight ahead, focused on what I got to get done today, brother.
There you go. Adam Handler, ladies and gentlemen, your personal injury attorney, 844-774-3529. Let's do this.